Good morning, dear students. Today we start with a new unit, and that is Sculpture and Architectural Wonders of Gujarat. Now, in this unit, we learn about the sculpture and architecture of Gujarat. For understanding this in a better way, we should first know the points mentioned below. That is, what is the meaning of a sculpture? What is the meaning of architecture, and the difference and similarities between sculpture and architecture. Fine, so first we start with sculpture. From the different arts of India, this is one of the most famous type of art. Sculpture is a visual art. Now see, different arts of India, if we see, or if we discuss about the different types of arts, then we can say painting, music, dance, drama, these all things, acting, these all things are known as different arts, from which the art of preparing sculpture is a very important art. Now, sculpture is a visual art. What is the meaning of visual art? The art which can be seen with the help of eyes, right? For example, music, it could be no need to see how they are playing the music. It's not a visual art, while art of painting, art of sculpture are known as visual art. Now, sculpture can be prepared by carving, using mold, by sculpting, etc. Now see, all the three things I will explain you. First thing, by the way of carving. What is the meaning of carving? Suppose if you have got a wood and you give a beautiful shape to that wood by doing carving on it, then that is known as carving. Then by using mold. What is the meaning of mold? For example, if you want to prepare similar type of sculptures, then you can prepare a mold, and then you can prepare the sculpture from say wax, or say by making the by using the metal. How to use the metal? For using mold, you have to heat the metal to an extent that it will turn into liquid. Then you can pour that metal in that mold, and then when you open the mold, you will see the shape of that mold, that is sculpture. So that is said using mold. And by sculpting, sculpting means, I give you a simple example of pot. Now pot is made out of clay. Clay is molded in that shape, right? So that is known as sculpting. Means out of clay, if you go on giving beautiful shape and prepare a sculpture, then that is known as sculpting. Sculpture can be made from stone, wood, metal, clay, etc. Basically, there are two types of sculptures: sculpture in relief or relief sculpture, and sculpture in round. So here in the example you can see this is known as sculpture in relief. The sculpture in which the carving is done only on the front side and the back side is kept flat is known as relief sculpture or sculpture in relief. And sculpture in round, here you can see the sculpture of God Hanumanji. This is known as sculpture in round. It is carved out from all the sides, and you can go around the sculpture, and from all the sides you can see the sculpture. So this is known as sculpture in round. Now if I explain according to the definition, then the sculpture which is carved from all the four sides is known as sculpture in round. We can see the sculpture from all the four sides. This sculpture has got three dimensions, that is length, breadth and width, means thickness. Now examples of sculpture in round are the statue of god or goddesses, around which we can do pradakshina; the statue of great person installed in the city square, For example, Statue of Liberty or Statue of Sardar Patel, right? Statue of Unity, right? So, these all are the examples of sculpture in round. Now, architecture. So, the meaning of sculpture is clear. The two types of sculptures, that is also clear, right? Now, we move on to architecture. Now, what is the meaning of architecture? In simple words, it means any construction work. Okay. Here we are going to discuss about the architecture work of Gujarat, which is beautiful from the beauty point of view and which has got carving and sculpture in it. Temple, fort, palaces, etc. are the examples of architecture which we are going to discuss in this unit. The similarity between sculpture and architecture is that both are the examples of visual art and both of them are decorative in shape. So, in this video we keep till here. From the next video, one by one I will be teaching you different architecture of Gujarat.